Hello everyone, my name is Juan Arias. I work for the UArizona Cooperative Extension as an assistant agent in agriculture natural resource. Today I'm going to show you how to do your own watering can at home. There are many ways to make your own watering container at home, but first step is always to look for containers you have available. This can include milk carton, soda bottle can, and water bottles. Avoid any type of containers that have been known to have any chemicals in there. For this one, we're going to use a screwdriver, and your container. For this one, you want to use your hand to apply pressure, and then use your screwdriver. And you repeat the process at least 3 to 4 times. For this step, we're going to make sure we use a drill, some drill bits, and your container. Before you use your drill, make sure you put it in a setting that's really low to start with. And your container should look like this. For this step, we're going to use some pliers, small nail, and a lighter. You're going to use the pliers to hold the nail, that way you don't hold it while you're making it hot. You're going to use the lighter for at least 20 seconds. Okay, now we're going to test out the watering containers. For this one, use the screw. I also made another container with the same process. Okay. For this one, we use the drill. That looks nice. Also made another container using the drill. This one was also made using the drill. Alright, and then this one was using the nail and the lighter. I also made a small container using the nail and the lighter. Which one did you like the best?